Picture this. It is Friday evening after a long, exhausting week of work, and instead of spending your precious weekend dragging a heavy vacuum cleaner around the house, you simply sit on your couch, sip your favorite drink, and watch a little round machine silently clean your floors all by itself. Just a decade ago, having an autonomous robot navigate your living room felt like something straight out of a science fiction movie. But today, millions of households rely on these little discs to keep their floors spotless every single day. We all know that keeping floors clean is a never-ending, thankless chore. Between shedding pets, kids dropping crumbs, and the daily accumulation of dust and dirt from outdoors, your floors seem to get dirty the exact second you finish cleaning them. You want a clean, healthy home without sacrificing hours of your free time every single week, but trusting a machine to do it for you can feel a bit skeptical. If you have ever looked at a robot vacuum, you have probably wondered, is this compact little plastic disc actually cleaning anything, or is it just blindly bouncing around the room like a lost bumper car? How does it know where to go without falling down the stairs? And how can something running on a small battery possibly pick up heavy embedded dirt? Today, let us open up the machine, look at the hidden sensors and mechanical parts, and break down exactly how a robot vacuum works step by step, so you can understand the brilliant engineering navigating around your living room right now. To understand how a robot vacuum cleans, we first have to look at its mechanical underside, because advanced smart navigation means absolutely nothing if the machine cannot physically pick up dirt. Unlike a traditional upright vacuum cleaner that relies on a massive, noisy motor plugged into a wall outlet to generate overwhelming suction power, a robot vacuum has to operate on a small internal rechargeable battery, because it cannot use raw brute force suction without draining its battery in 10 minutes. Engineers designed a clever multi-stage cleaning system that works as a highly coordinated team. The cleaning journey starts at the outer edges of the machine with the spinning side brushes. Because a robot vacuum is round, it naturally struggles to get deep into square corners or flush against flat baseboards. Those little spider-like side brushes spin continuously, acting like tiny brooms that reach out beyond the body of the robot, grab dust and debris from the edges of your room, and sweep it directly underneath the center of the machine. Once that debris is swept underneath the robot, it meets the main roller brush. This high-speed rotating brush sits inside a dedicated cleaning head and usually features a synchronized combination of stiff bristles and flexible rubber fins. As the robot rolls over your carpets and hard floors, this roller brush aggressively beats the floor, agitating embedded pet hair and physically loosening stubborn dirt trapped deep within carpet fibers. Immediately behind this rolling brush sits the suction intake channel. While a robot vacuum's suction motor is physically smaller than one in a standard upright vacuum, it is placed just millimeters away from the floor surface, creating a highly sealed aerodynamic airflow channel. This concentrated suction lifts the loosened dirt straight off the floor and flings it into the internal dustbin. Before that exhaust air is blown back out into your room, it passes through a high-efficiency particulate air filter, commonly known as a HEPA filter, which traps microscopic allergens, pollen, and fine dust, so you are not just recirculating dirty air back into your home. Now that we know how it physically sweeps and sucks up dirt, we reach the biggest question: how does it actually know where it is going? If you ever watched an early robot vacuum from 15 years ago, you probably remember that it moved completely at random. It would roll in a straight line until it bumped into a wall, back up, turn slightly, and roll off in another direction, hoping that eventually it would hit every spot in the room by sheer luck and persistence. Modern robot vacuums are completely different. They are equipped with an advanced suite of electronic sensors that act as the robot's eyes and nervous system. Let us start with the most basic safety sensors, the cliff sensors, located on the very bottom of the front bumper. These infrared sensors constantly beam invisible light down at the floor and measure how quickly that light bounces back. If the robot approaches the edge of a staircase, the sensor detects that the floor has suddenly disappeared beneath it, causing the machine to hit the brakes instantly and back away so it never takes a destructive tumble down the stairs. Around the front perimeter of the machine sits the tactile bumper, which houses physical bump switches and infrared obstacle detection sensors. When the robot approaches a chair leg, a dog toy, or a wall, the infrared sensors often spot it first and tell the wheels to slow down. If it does gently tap an obstacle, the bumper compresses slightly, sending a mechanical signal to the internal computer that something is blocking the path, prompting the robot to navigate around it smoothly. But while those basic sensors keep the robot safe, the true revolution in modern robot vacuums comes from how they map your entire house using space-age technology. If you look at the top of a premium robot vacuum, you will usually see a small raised turret that looks like a miniature watchtower. Inside that turret is a spinning laser scanner called LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging. This tiny laser spins around multiple times per second, shooting out thousands of invisible laser beams across your room and measuring the exact amount of time it takes for those beams to bounce off walls, furniture, and doorways. By calculating these light reflections at the speed of light, the robot's onboard computer creates a highly precise, millimeter-accurate digital map of your floor plan in real time, a process known in robotics as simultaneous localization and mapping, or SLAM for short. Some advanced models even combine this spinning laser with front-facing optical cameras and artificial intelligence. These smart cameras act like human eyes, visually recognizing specific objects lying on your floor, such as abandoned shoes, stray phone charging cables, or even dreaded pet accidents. Instead of plowing into them and causing a massive tangle or mess, the robot identifies the hazard, marks it on its digital map, and carefully drives around it. Because the robot now has a complete digital map of your home stored in its memory, it no longer bounces around randomly like a pinball. Instead, it cleans using a systematic, efficient zigzag pattern, covering every single square inch of your floor without wasting battery power cleaning the same spot twice. This incredible spatial awareness also allows for total self-sufficiency. Because the robot knows its exact coordinates in your home at all times, it constantly monitors its own battery level during a cleaning cycle. If the battery starts running low before the whole house is clean, the robot automatically stops vacuuming, uses its internal map to navigate straight back to its charging dock, tops up its battery, and then drives right back out to the exact coordinate where it left off to finish the job. Many modern setups even feature self-emptying base stations that use a powerful external vacuum inside the dock to suck the dirt out of the robot's tiny onboard bin into a large, sealed disposable bag, meaning you can literally go for months without ever having to touch or empty the vacuum yourself. Ultimately, a robot vacuum is a masterclass in modern automated engineering. By seamlessly integrating spider-like edge brushes, powerful agitation rollers, spinning laser towers, and intelligent mapping algorithms, these little machines transform a tedious, time-consuming household chore into a completely automated background process that happens while you relax. Understanding the sophisticated science humming inside that compact plastic disc gives you a whole new appreciation for the technology working tirelessly to keep your home healthy and spotless. If this explanation helped demystify your robot vacuum, and you want to see more breakdowns of the technology in your home, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling me which household chore you wish a robot could take over next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.